Hey everyone, this is Alex Burner with Tucker USA. In this video, we're going to talk about the Tucker H2PRO. So this is part of our uniquely Tucker systems. And what makes this cart unique? Well, while it is a three-stage system, it offers abilities that are not seen in the industry. This has the ability to produce up to 2 gallons a minute. So that means you can have a single user or a dual user. It has the ability to reach up to 70 feet. Or if you're in a low pressure situation, no worries with this because the onboard pump will allow you to work with consistent water flow and pressure. And for those who might not even have access to water on site and they want to bring their own water, this will be able to draw that water out of that tank and get you the pure water through your pole onto the glass. So what are some unique features of this three-stage cart? Unlike most three-stage carts on the market, this has a 30-inch carbon, which blocks out sediment, chloramine, and chlorine, which then goes into your 40-inch RO membrane, and then your 30-inch DI. Most three-stage systems out there have a 10-inch carbon filter and a 10-inch DI. So you see your maintenance is going to be reduced because you have longer lasting filters on board. In addition to those housings, we have our DI saver. What is DI saver? So this allows you to route your RO water only. So you turn it right for RO. And why do you need this? Well, typically an RO, once it's been flushed out and then you go into production mode, the TDS will start off higher and then eventually it'll creep down and settle. If you were just to send that water straight into your DI, that means you're getting higher TDS into your DI, which will make your DI last significantly shorter over time. So with the DI saver, by putting it in the RO at first, letting it go out your RO port, you can get a TDS reading out of your TDS meter, see that it's settled down. Then you know you can go in full production of your RO and DI. Then you go down for DI. In addition, there might be other reasons why you would want RO only water. Perhaps you're already in a lower TDS situation and you don't need that final polish. You can go into RO mode. Or if you're not cleaning site glass, maybe it's solar panels or other facades that don't require the ability to look through it, then you can use the RO water only. As mentioned before, to get certain situations where you have a dual user or you need to go up to 70 feet or work off a tank, you need your onboard pump. This is a 110 volt booster pump. So it's a plug-in pump with your on-off switch right here. So you don't have to rely on the GFCI switch like other companies have. This is a dedicated switch to know if it's going to be on or off. Obviously you have your pressure regulator here with your onboard pressure gauge. Here's your port manifold that we talked about earlier. So you have your RO only, your RO DI, your inlet, and your bypass valve. So when you have your first user system, you want to flush it out. Now after your period of flushing out, you'll flip this to this position. This is where you go into production. Now you still have wastewater coming out, and that is perfectly acceptable. Regulate your system and protect your RO membranes. This is where the red hose is. This is your wastewater hose. It'll also come with a 5 feet extra length of hose, so you can route that off. All our carts feature the no flat wheel. These are large wheels that be able to maneuver over any kind of terrain. Our stainless steel housings are on our powder-coated steel frame, and this cart features a 10-year warranty. And if you're a Team Tucker member and have an active membership, you get a lifetime warranty. If you have any other questions about this unique Tucker H2PRO cart, feel free to go to our website at tuckerusa.com.